presenting the Butterfly Smart Mixer Grinder in grey color. It has a powerful 750-watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding functions in the kitchen. It is also equipped with an automatic overload cutoff facility that ensures safety for your appliance. The main body of the mixer grinder is made of ABS plastic and it comes with 3 rust-free stainless steel jars. It also has an additional polycarbonate juicer jar with an easy-to-use pusher. The jar lids are made of high-grade polycarbonate material that makes them heat-proof and shatter-resistant. The jars are also equipped with strong and sturdy handles which provides a firm grip, ensuring no slippage. The razor-sharp rotator blades have an RPM of 17,000 to 20,000 that helps in precise cutting and chopping. The Butterfly Smart Mixer Grinder comes with a user-friendly 3-speed rotating knob with whip function that helps you adjust the speed as per your requirements. It also has an LED light to indicate the power on status. The vacuum rubber shoes at the bottom gives the mixer grinder a firm grip. This product comes with 2 years warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting the Prestige Iris Mixer Grinder in white and blue color. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and 1 juicer jar. It has a powerful 750-watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding and blending functions in the kitchen. It comes with a motor overload protector switch that ensures safety for your appliance. The main unit of the mixer grinder is made of ABS plastic. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and a transparent juicer jar for all grinding, blending and juicing needs. The stainless steel jars are rust resistant and can be washed and wiped easily. The easy grip handles are sturdy and are made of durable plastic that prevents slippage. The mixer grinder has a multifunction blade system with stainless steel blades that makes blending and grinding an easy task. The cylindrical shape of the mixer grinder makes it compact, and the 3-speed setting with whip function allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference. The Prestige Iris Mixer Grinder comes with 2 years warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to the product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
VDM presents Vector Premium 750 watts fully loaded mixer grinder. Powered by Arya Cooltech motor with 20% more power for fast and efficient grinding, 20% more torque to handle heavy loads, 40% more cooling to double the motor life. The mixer features self-locking jars for secure locking on operation, dynamically balanced blades to prevent wear and tear of the bush, tri-mate couplers for secure mating and high strength, sturdy handles for a firm grip, overload protector with auto cutoff function ensuring long life of the motor, 5 different jars for mixing, grinding, grating, crushing, mincing, extracting, juicing and blending. For more information, visit the product page.
VDM, you inspire, we innovate.